Hi and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can give access to someone to your Facebook page or how to make somebody admin of your Facebook page. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Facebook application. Once you do so, you need to tap on this menu option. From here, first you need to switch to the page that you want to give access to someone. So in this case, I will select this page. Once you open the page, again, you need to tap on the menu option. From there, you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, it will bring you here, and just under audience and visibility, you will find the page setup. So once you tap on the page setup, it will bring you here, and here you can see page access. So you need to tap on that, and here, as you can see, I have all the people with Facebook access. I have this one. So if you want to give all the access to somebody, like they can do content, messages and calls, community activities, ads, insight, permission, page deletion even, so you can tap on add. But here we will make somebody just an admin. So I will tap on the add new, and from here you need to tap. You can read all these, that what kind of access that person will be, the one that you're about to give access to. Then tap on next, and here you need to search that person profile name or username. So in this case, I will search this and I will select this person. Once I selected, you can enable these options, that what you want to give this person. If you want just for a content creator, so you can enable these, and then you need to tap on give access. And for the last time, just to be sure that it is you, you need to enter your Facebook password to enable this access. So guys, once you enter your password, all you need to do is to tap on confirm. And once you tap on confirm, here, as you can see, this particular person that I gave access to, the invitation has been sent, and this person should accept the invitation first, and the invitation will expire in 30 days. So guys, this is all it takes to give access to someone of your Facebook page. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.